Hey folks, today is March the 1st. It's currently 9:22 in the morning. We did get a signal on the Agimat FXIQ. I was actually doing something else and I heard the signal pop up. I checked it and you can see here USD CAD. We're on USD CAD and we could have got in right here. That's one of the things about manual trading. Sometimes you might not be able to catch them, and what I was trying to do was I was hoping that the market would kind of hover around the potential entry price, but by the time I got everything set up here, you can see the market had already moved down the 5 or 6 pips that we would have taken in profit. So yeah, I'm not gonna jump into this trade, even though it would have been a beautiful and quick setup, a nice early morning win. But it is what it is. I'll go ahead. It looks like we won't be able to take any trades on USD Swiss franc. As you guys can see, we're out of the grid area, so we won't be jumping into any of those trades. GBP USD is fine if we can get a signal on there. Let's check Euro USD. Won't be taking any Euro USD trades until it comes back into the grid area. USD Japanese Yen is fine to take a trade on, as well as USD CAD. All right, so we'll be patient. We got a few minutes until the next potential signal here. And let me see here. That was a Euro USD signal. This is a Euro USD. Let's take a look at this one. And like I said, we're not taking any trades in Euro USD until we get back into the grid area here. So yeah, that could have been a potential. No, it would have been definitely a winning trade there. So we'll pause the video and we'll come back and we'll hopefully be able to. And in the future, if we get a signal and I don't have the recording started, I'll just go ahead and take the trade instead of trying to get the recording set up. So yeah, that's kind of what we'll do going forward. All right, I'll be back on the next potential setup. All right, folks, just wanted to do a quick update. We just got a sell signal on the USD CAD, as you guys can see here. And so we'll watch it and see what happens. And again, typically take out 4 or 5 pips. So once we get to about $5, I'll go ahead and close out the trade. I always like to do that just in case we get a spike in one direction or the other, or a quick move. And as we can see here, overall, the future prediction is pointing down more so than up. All right, so we got $4.59 on that particular trade. That would have been our second winning trade of the day. I think the first one was also on USD CAD, but it was up here somewhere. I think it was this bar. It might have been this bar where we got this nice big healthy push down. So yeah, we'll continue waiting and watching, and let me see if anything else has moved back up into the grid. So USD right here hasn't quite moved back up enough. GBP USD, hopefully we'll get a buy trade here. Nothing there. Looking for a sell trade on USD Japanese Yen. So yeah, we'll be patient and I'll come back once we get another potential setup. Hey folks, just wanted to point out something interesting that I just noticed. The news, the news just came out at 10 o'clock, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and you can see here it is 10 o'clock right now. And I noticed that we got this spike on USD CAD. And as you can see, the future prediction is even more so pointing down here. And we did, like I said, get another signal going short on USD CAD here. So we could have took that up here somewhere and, made a quick profit. on that. But because we had the news at 10 o'clock, I did not jump into any trades or anything like that. So just wanted to point that out and make note of it. And it's always good, like I said, to know what news is coming out and when. So going forward right now, we don't have any other news that should hinder us from taking trades. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back. All right, folks, we just got a signal USD Japanese yen. This is a sell order. And as we can see, actually, let me go ahead and put this stuff in real quick. All right. So as always, we will wait and watch the market and just see what happens here. And again, we never want to trade against this right here. Like if we got a buy trade or a buy signal on USD Japanese yen, I would not have taken that. You know, so we always want to trade with the white arrow. And again, we're trading 0.25 lots. So if it does go against us, we can enter another lot at a better price point. So the market right now is just bouncing around our entry point, not really doing much. Let's take a look at some of the other pairs while we're waiting on that. As we can see here, USD Swiss franc has now moved back in to the grid. So if things change here, we could potentially take a trade. GBP USD has moved out of the grid, unfortunately. Euro USD is out of the grid. You know, and I'm waiting to see if we get up close to this white line right here, I'll go ahead and enter another order. But the market is still just taking its time. And here, USD CAD, we get a signal for a short. We'll go ahead and jump into that. So we'll just be patient. All right, so we got our 4 or 5 pips there. We'll scroll down. You can see there it is there, $5.88. So we'll continue to watch. I usually, or I'm thinking I'm going to watch until about 11:30 every day. Some days I might not be able to trade just because I have other things going on, but I'm definitely going to try to continue to put out these videos for you guys as a way of forward testing the indicator. All right, I'll pause it and I'll come back. Hey folks, just wanted to come back and give you guys a final update. We did get other signals, but none of them actually qualified for us to take the trade. So we're going to end things off. We did take a few trades today. We missed that first one that we could have taken on USD CAD, but we got 2 other winners, so not a bad day at all. And I think that is going to be it. It is now 11:30 in the morning, so we're going to shut things down here, and hopefully we will be back tomorrow with another video of trading with the Agimat FXIQ system. All right, folks, I'll see you on the next update. Take care.